Hi guys, so this is my analysis on GU. What am I expecting on GU? If you watch my previous analysis on GU, I had two scenarios on GU. I said my first scenario because GU was around this level right here, right? And I said I'm expecting GU have two scenarios that because of right around this area right here, we broke this trend line right here. I said there's a possibility for GU to come here to retest, to push up to this break of structure right here, which also aligns with my 38.2% fib level. I said there's a possibility for it to come there before we now push to the downside, because overall my target is negative 27% fib level, and that is 1.27046 around that area. That was my first thought on it, and my second thought was because we were rejecting off of my 23.6% fib level, which is a continuation level for me. I said there's a possibility that we might just from here push down to the target, and we can see that the first one was invalid. This one was probably invalid because we didn't push up a little bit before coming to the downside, but we can see that the second one just rejected off of the 23% and continuing to push to the downside. And that is the reason why we have to be open-minded when we are trading, because it can go in different ways. It doesn't have to go exactly the way we think it will go. So now that that has been done, I'm going to delete the line, and we can see that we are currently around my target as expected, which is great, 1.2740. So we got to my target. Now let's see what will be our next analysis on that. So I'm just going to draw a trend line right here from point A to B, right around this level, right? So head to here, I'm going to zoom in. What am I seeing? I'm seeing different things. If I draw a trend line from here to here, shows the break off the trend line right here that makes it continue to push to the downside, and we can see around here we can see a break of structure around this area. So like, you know, if you've been watching my video, that whenever we get to negative 27% fib level, there is higher possibility that from that level we are going to have a retracement, and especially when that retracement also aligns with a market structure, those are like confluences that we might actually retrace back. So what I mean by market structure is we can see that there is an imbalance here that still needs to be filled, right? So there's a possibility that we're still going to push up, which also aligns that around this level. I'm always, not always, but most of the time sees retracement around that level. So that's a possibility that we might push up a little bit to fill in that imbalance, and that aligns really well. So based on that, I'm going to draw my fib from here to here. Let me see. So we can see, I'm going to draw my fib from here to here just to see where we currently at. So we can see that we are currently rejecting off of my 50% fib level. If I go to a smaller time frame, let me just see if there is an imbalance or something. That's the only thing I'm seeing. Yeah, you can see this aligns really well with an imbalance, so there's a possibility that we might just continue to push to the upside. Let me go to a more smaller time frame. Oh, we might still come down a little bit to this level right here, then zoom to the upside. That's a possibility because I'm not seeing enough candlestick that shows that we are currently going to go bullish right now. So there's a possibility that we might still push down. Let me just do a quick thought on this using fib just to see what I'm looking for. My 786. Okay, so what am I expecting now, right? Because I'm not seeing enough momentum even after this rejection on the 50% that it has reversed to continue to push to the upside. So I see a possibility of it actually falling down a little bit, then going to the upside, because my target, as you all know if you've been watching my analysis, my target is always my negative 27% fib level, which is around this area right here. So we can see that that's what I would be looking for right now. We can see around the level until I see a big momentum. Like I said, I just think that we might still fall before we continue to push the upside, but overall we are on the upside overall. So that's just my quick thoughts on you guys. Hope you find this insightful. If you do, don't forget to comment, like, share, and if you have any question below, just leave it in the section below and I'll do my possible best to answer to the best of my ability. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Bye.